First, the initial volume is recorded. As you can see here, Nick is pointing. Now he's going to begin the titration, so he lets a little bit of NaOH out of the tap and then swirls it. And he'll continue this process until it turns into a faint pink, which you will see about now. Then the final volume is recorded. And so from this, we take the initial volume and subtract it from the final, and then we have the amount of volume that was actually released. So now you'll see Eric begin to do the same thing, taking the initial. Now he's going to release some of the NaOH, gently swirl the flask until it turns a light pink, which you should see soon. Now he's going to record the final. Now we'll see Morgan doing the same thing, taking our initial, now she will release some of the NaOH and then gently swirl the flask to mix it in. And she will continue doing this slowly until the mixture turns a light pink. That means the indicator is showing that the reaction is through, which means that now we can calculate the molarity of what we need to know. There she's taken the final volume. Here's Brooke, starting with our initial. Now she is going to release some of the NaOH and gently swirl the flask. We used a white sheet of paper so that way the pink color would be easily identifiable, because in lab you said that we need to argue that it's pink, so we were really going for a really faint pink color, and so we decided in order to see that it would be best to use the white paper. And there's her light pink. Now she's going to record the final. Now you'll see our results, in which we took the mass of KHP and we transferred that to moles, and then we took the moles of KHP and divided it by the volume of NaOH transferred. Then we multiplied that by the molar ratio of KHP to NaOH, and our ending result was the molarity of NaOH. We took our 4 trials and we made a standard deviation to have an overall